Hi friends, happy Friday. I wanted to ask a question. Do you guys meal prep? I know that it has helped me out so much in the last month to make sure that I am prepared for the next week. And I wanted to invite you to a free group that I have going on that starts on Monday.
And a party?
I'm not having a party. We can't have parties. We can have parties online. But what we're going to be doing, I'm going to meal prep the whole menu Sunday for this 5-day challenge that I have going on. And this is one of the menus, this is one of the items that are in that prep. So, and it's actually one of my favorites. I make this a lot. It's a turkey chili. It's really hearty, and right now I'm loving soups right now because it's so cold here in Colorado. We haven't got, where I'm at in Colorado Springs, will you please stop me? We haven't got any snow or anything yet. It's just cold. So what I have here,
It's not cold outside.
it's not cold. I have a pound of ground turkey breast in some olive oil that I got so that it's no longer pink. And now I'm going to add a medium onion, whoops, and a medium red bell pepper. And I'm going to cook that until it gets a little translucent.
Mommy, I did this.
Tell me in the comments if you're a meal prepper or not. I mean, some people can go and just every day and just know. This is easier for me because I'll have 5 days worth of lunch just sitting there, and all I have to do is heat it up. Yeah. And this is one of my favorite go-tos is this turkey chili. And like I said, it's in the meal plan that's going to be provided within my group next week. What we're going to be doing is previewing a program that I am going to be doing a VIP group starting in January on, just to get, yes, I found some little muffin tins that will fit in my little, I have just a little oven that goes on my counter because this big one is broke. So I found some little tins that I can be able to make. Because one of the recipes in here for desserts is a raspberry muffin with chia seeds. So I am excited about that. You'll have breakfast menus, lunch menu, dinner menu, and snacks. All included in this free group, along with 5 days worth of workouts. Okay, we're getting there. It's starting to smell amazing. I'm going to add just a little bit of salt. Oh, and pepper to help that out a little bit. Like I said, this is like one of my favorites. And it's included in the meal plan, along with, what else do we have? We have a quinoa chicken jar salad, which is really good. So basically what you're going to do is you would pick 1 to 3 items out of each one of these categories and then batch cook it for the week. Or you can do everything new every day, but it's easier to just do a batch cook of things. And that way, there's your lunch, there's your dinner. Me, I'm more of I like to cook a hot breakfast, and most of these, the two of the options are not like a warm breakfast, and one of them is a gingerbread protein pancake, which I am really excited about making. Hi, how are you today? Do you meal prep? Let me know in the comments if you're a meal prepper or not. I didn't used to, but that's where I feel like behind, and I fell off track because then I would like consume more things than I should throughout the day, which I shouldn't be going. So now that our onions our onions and peppers are translucent here. I'm going to add in just a can of diced tomatoes with green chili. And I was out of tomato sauce and I thought I had it. So I just made my own by pureeing a can of tomatoes in the tomato sauce. So it says I'm going to need, 14 ounces? Eight. Okay, well, it'll be a little thicker. Okay, so now we've got our can of diced tomatoes and green chilies. Real convenient, low sodium. I always get the low sodium, always. That way you can control the amount of salt that goes in there. What I am really excited about is this barbecue chicken baked sweet potatoes. Because, oh my gosh, let me show you what I found. Do you know that most barbecue sauce out there, the main ingredient in it is high fructose corn syrup, and that is so bad. So I found this new one. It's a sugar-free barbecue sauce, sweet and spicy, G. Hughes, and 2 carbs. Starts with vine-ripened crushed tomatoes. Bang, right there. There's no high fructose corn syrup in there. There is modified cornstarch, white vinegar, salt, lemon juice concentrate, dehydrated onions, spices, caramel, color. So I'm excited about sharing. I'm excited about trying that. That is one of the things that I will be showing how to prep for within this free group. Okay, so now I'm going to add my sweet potatoes. This is one large sweet potato that I cut up. It said too small. And by the way, if you would like this recipe, let me know in the comments. Just say send me the recipe and it's yours. So, let me turn this down a little bit. We got it rocking and rolling. Okay, so now we're going to put in a cup of water.
Mommy, wipe it?
I'm just going to take this can.
Wipe it?
Yes, thank you so much. And throw that in there. Your extra water is going to cook off. And I have a really, really funny story about that. My Aunt Barbie raised us and would always make spaghetti all the time and scrape the inside of the jar when she could have just put water in it and shook it, poured it in. It just cracks me up now because it was like something simple like that we didn't think about. I think I was like 5 at the time, 5 or 6 at the time, that she would make spaghetti for us all the time. Okay, so, whoa, careful. What are you doing with an obstacle course in my kitchen?
I am.
I know you am. So now we're going to add the spices. I don't have fresh basil, so I'm just going to use the rest of that parsley. They didn't have any good looking parsley, so I just didn't get any. Cumin.
I did it.
Yeah. Cumin, paprika, sweetheart, please. And I'm doing it in this order only because I don't want to mix my chili powder in with my paprika because it's a little spicy. Maiden won't eat this. I will be eating this. And then a tablespoon of chili powder. I'm a chili fanatic. I love chili. Chili.
I hate you.
I know you hate chili.
I hate it so much.
She gets chicken nuggets, huh? And sweet potato fries. She is a sweet potato person. She loves sweet potatoes, huh?
No, I hate sweet potatoes.
She'll tell you what she likes.
Fries.
And what else?
And nuts and pop.
Yeah, we are trying to stop the pop thing. We hadn't had pop in a long time. Okay, so now, hold on, baby. Let me show them. Look how good this looks. Now I just cook this down. It cooks for 25 minutes until your sweet potatoes are nice and tender. And then that makes 4 servings. So that's 4 lunches. Boom! What did that take? What? 10, 15 minutes? Well, it's actually going to take 20 minutes because it's got to cook down. And then you put it in 4 separate containers, and boom, you're there for the week. For next week, for 4 lunches. So, I would like to invite you into my free group to learn a little bit more how this can help you stay on track with eating and everything. Yeah, I'm waiting for the big crash to happen. And leading up into my VIP group that's going to be starting in January. This new 9-week program I'm really excited about, and it's going to be pretty crazy and amazing. Right now we're kind of all cooped up and we don't know what really is going to happen in the future, right? I mean, most of the gyms here in Colorado I think are closed now because we're on red still as far as I know. And outdoor dining, restaurants and stuff like that are closing down. So what better way to plug into a community that's going to lift your spirits and hopefully give you some tips and tricks on healthier eating and getting in some exercise. And bonus, this program concentrates on rest, meditation, stretching. Yes. I just can't say more than yes about that. Because that's when your body actually repairs itself and gets you ready for the next big obstacle that you're putting your body through. And these workouts that are going to be coming in January are only 18 to 30 minutes, 5 days a week. Easy to fit into our busy schedules right now, right? I think it's got like 10 more minutes left. Peace out, guys. If you want the recipe, let me know in the comments, and I'll shoot it to you. Happy Friday. Hope you guys have an amazing weekend. If you want some tips and tricks on how to meal prep, join the free group in the descriptions.
And bye.
Because I will be doing the whole menu Sunday morning. I'm showing you how easy it is just to prep for the whole week, so you're prepared. Peace out.
Bye.